Hey, it's Michael LaFido. I want to talk to you about our exciting new book, Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. Literally, it's 300 pages of pure gold. We have 23 rock star agents. We have over 13 brokerages represented, billions of sales volume, and we are very strategic when we put this together. Again, a mixture of male, female, younger agents, more seasoned veteran agents. We also have 3 chapters written by rising stars. These 3 agents have our designation. They're selling luxury, but they're not luxury specialists per se, full time, but their story is very inspiring. So we asked 23 top luxury agents, 3 rising stars. The 23 top agents, we asked them to answer these 3 following questions. Number 1, tell us about your first luxury sale. Did you represent the buyer or the seller? That's the first question they answer in all the chapters. Then we gave them 16 additional questions, 16 common questions that I've been asked over the years about how to break into and dominate luxury. They picked 6 out of those 16. So now that's 7 questions. And then the remaining 2 questions we asked were consumer beneficial. One towards sellers. Hey, Mr. Seller, what should a seller look for when hiring a top agent? What should they ask? So those 23 top agents gave sellers tips on what to look for. We also asked those 23 rockstar agents, what should a buyer look for when deciding who should represent them before signing a buyer's agency agreement, before potentially even paying and signing a buyer's agency agreement? What should they look for? So 23 rockstar agents and 3 inspiring, watch list rising star agents, secret to top luxury agents. Check it out. You can find it on Amazon as well as other places. Again, my name is Michael LaFido. Take a look at it. If you read it, you get value. Please leave the book a like, a review. Until next time, talk to you soon.